Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your PATS account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. So to sign up for your PATS account, firstly open your Google search, type in PATS sign up and make a search. Scroll all the way down and click on Sign up for PATS. It will take you to the official page of PATS. If you already have an account, click on Login. To sign up for your PATS account, click on Sign up option at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your town or zip code and email address, then click on Find your community. On the next page, enter your email address, your first and last name and then create password for your PATS account. Check your password by clicking on Show option to make sure you have entered your password correctly. After creating your password, tap on Create Profile. This is how you can sign up for your PATS account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching.